How to see where your photos were taken on Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, make sure to allow it so the map can display your tagged photo locations accurately. Once the map opens, your posts and stories with location tags will appear as markers on the map. Move around the map to see all the places where your content has been shared. You can zoom in or out to focus on specific neighborhoods or regions. Tap any marker to view the photo or story that was shared at that location. This feature allows you to relive memories, organize your post by location, and see which areas you have visited the most. Remember, only posts with location tags will appear on the map, so make sure to tag your photos and stories if you want them to show up here. Now you know how to see where your photos were taken on Instagram Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.